You try music, friends, scrolling endlessly, even silence. But your heart still feels heavy. Anxiety, overthinking, restlessness, it just won't leave. What if the peace you seek isn't in the world, but in one simple act? In SurahArRad, Allah gives the formula for a peaceful life. He says,
الذين آمنوا وتطمئن قلوبهم بذكر الله ألا بذكر الله تطمئن القلوب.
Those who believe and whose hearts find peace in the remembrance of Allah. Surely in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest. We try everything to calm ourselves. Motivational quotes, self-help books, or even distractions. But the creator of your heart knows what calms it, and he says, his remembrance. When you say, Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, you're not just repeating words. You're realigning your soul with its origin. Peace is not the absence of problems. Peace is remembering the one who is greater than them. No pill, no playlist, no person can give what Allah can. Comment, my peace is in Allah. Save this for when your heart feels unsettled. Follow for daily Quran-based reminders that bring clarity.